Welcome to a new session of interview questions and answers. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you like music? Sure, I'm a big music fan. When played together, people can feel a common bond and experience a range of emotions through music. It's a terrific way to release stress, find new ideas, and express oneself creatively, all while having a good time. Question number 2. What kinds of music do you listen to? The kinds of music that I listen to the most are pop, hip-hop, alternative, and indie rock. I have a passion for learning about various musical genres and discovering new songs. Question number 3. When do you listen to music? Music is something that I frequently listen to while I am either studying, working out, or just resting. It's a terrific method for becoming inspired, and it helps me focus on what's important. Question number 4. When did you start listening to music? I first started listening to music as a child. I used to listen to the songs my parents enjoyed when they would have music playing non-stop in the house. From then on, I slowly started to learn about different types of music and build my own collection. Question number 5. How do you listen to music? Spotify and Apple Music are my go-to music streaming services. When I'm in the mood for something more meaningful, I also listen to some CDs and records. Question number 6. How much time do you spend listening to music every day? I usually spend at least an hour listening to music every day. It's a great way to unwind after a long day and relax before bed. Question number 7. Do you like to listen to live music? I love going to concerts and other live performances. By going to the venue itself, you can experience the sights, sounds, and energy of a live show like never before. There is no better way to become acquainted with the artist and the music they have created. Question number 8. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I have attended a number of concerts over the years. I appreciate both the energy of the audience and the vibe of the venue. Question number 9. How do you feel when you listen to music? When I listen to music, I feel motivated, energized, and uplifted. Music has the ability to take me to different locations and elicit various feelings. It is a wonderful opportunity to escape reality and simply appreciate the present. Question number 10. Can you say that music is a very important part of your life? Absolutely. Music has always been a part of my life. It's a terrific method for me to express myself, relax, and enjoy life. Question number 11. Do you like traditional songs? Absolutely, I enjoy traditional music. Traditional music can be lovely, powerful, and moving. They can also be a terrific way to connect with the past and learn about a place's culture and history. Question number 12. Do people in your country like music? Indeed, music is quite popular in my nation. Music is an important aspect of our culture, and you can hear it in every region of the country. Question number 13. Did you often listen to music when you were a child? Indeed, I used to listen to music constantly as a child. I used to go to concerts with my family and friends and had a sizable CD collection. Growing up, music was a huge part of my life. Question number 14. Do you like to sing along to your favorite songs? Definitely. When I'm listening to some of my favorite songs, I can't help but sing along. Laughing and crying in public is a wonderful release for me. Question number 15. Do you think music will change in the future? Certainly, I believe music will evolve and alter in the future. Technology will almost certainly play a significant role in how music is generated and consumed. I'm excited to see what the future of music holds. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.